Yami, are you ready?
Yes.
पूछा जाए आपसे सवाल नंबर 2.
Yeah, bro, come.
Okay, throughout the film, Yami had to wear one costume. We believe that you were to wear a single costume throughout the film, which you
Yeah.
never took off, even while going to.
You're supposed to be Faridun,
Yeah,
right? So
yeah.
you're.
No, we've heard from Bollywood Hangama. We've heard that you had to wear one costume throughout the film. So how did you manage to act wearing just those clothes throughout the month?
I
And those
think.
woolen socks.
I didn't know I was so popular. People keep a track of my socks also. But having said that, I think Ali was a very big inspiration. You should have seen Ali. At least we used to go back home and and
You and Ali used to go back home.
we, as in me and my crew
Okay.
and my team.
Okay.
You quite remind me of Ali actually.
We saw.
You really made up for Ali's absence.
I've been told if I shave and if I
Yeah,
cut my hair, I'll look like him.
Exactly.
But I
It doesn't
don't-
matter. You at least sound like him, so
Okay.
that's fine.
Okay. That's not a compliment for me. I don't like the guy.
Oh, really? Yeah, ask
Well,
me. So I was, in fact, Ali was sharing with everybody else that I'm so much in character that when I go back to my room, I don't change even into the night suit. I just go and come back.
You
I
slept
think,
in the same
No, I
clothes?
didn't. I didn't. I'm not so inspired also by him.
Did you shower in the same clothes?
Actually, Ali, I like you to come back. I think this one is a 2.0 version of Ali Zafar. So, Ali Zafar, please come back.
Okay.
Why don't you act? आपने क्यों नहीं किया Total Siapa?
Because I was never offered the film. I was never considered good enough.
Really? Yeah, don't worry. Total Siapa 2 भी बन रही है.
Part 2 में शायद मैं होऊंगा. But Manish पांडे के साथ आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा उनके साथ काम करके. We've loved his films. I loved A Wednesday. I loved Special 26. And he's somebody whose scripts, I mean, when you read, it's absolutely flawless. And
What was your first thought when you were reading the script?
I didn't even pause even for a second. I just kept flipping and just kept reading. And I think मुझे पता नहीं चला. I was on a flight and I didn't realize when I landed. So yeah,
Where was the flight to?
that's a secret.
You take secret trips, huh?
Yeah.
And what about Ishwar Nivas, the director of the film? How was working with him?
He's very humble, very chilled out to work with. Gives you your own space. He tells you what he wants, but at the same time gives you your space as an
Like a
actor.
boyfriend, like a good boyfriend, who gives you your space and tells you what he wants, but gives you the space
3.0
also.
version of Ali Zafar. Okay, Ali, I think आज मुझे आपकी बहुत पता चल गई है.
और किस तरह और कौन से questions होते हैं इंटरव्यू के?
और किरण जी के साथ कैसा रहा?
And so how was working with her?
She was absolutely fun working. जैसे उनका जो character है फिल्म में, she's full of energy and that typical Punjabi mummy. She's just like that off screen, full of. You get a lot of that energy to give even more, in your performance. I think she's one of those co-actors. मुझे देखना नहीं होता था that Kiran ji has come or not. I could just hear. Okay, Kiran ji is here. She's there on the set. Very punctual. Absolutely fun working with her. I really miss her when the days she's not around.
If you were offered another film with Ali Zafar, have you thought about how would you say no?
Just show this interview to him and he'll get an answer.
Okay, so Ali, this one's for you, and for all the fans out there.
No, before we sign off. It was
We are
absolutely
very-
great working with Ali Zafar. I have always loved his music. We all have. I have to tell you, all my friends back
Just
home.
my music?
Chandigarh. Huge fan of your music, right from Coke Studio, Pakistan.
What about my looks and sex appeal?
Of course, he's one of the most good-looking guys, one of the most good-looking actors we have. I think Ali's coming back.
अगर ये फिल्म को 4 स्टार की वजह से 3 स्टार मिले तो तुम्हारे इस कमेंट की वजह से मिलेंगे.
I think his film maybe he's given some amazing tracks. I've loved it. In fact, जो हम shoot कर रहे हैं, title track of Total Siapa. It's fun. You don't have to put so much effort. The song only gives you that much energy, and it's quirky. It's nice.
So on that note, let's go and listen to the song and stay tuned to Bollywood Hangama. I'm going to charge extra for this interview, and signing out now, Faridun. And catch the film Total Siapa on 31st of Jan. It's a lot of fun. Seems like the cast had a lot of fun. And see you later. Bye.